I am Anshul Chauhan, Scientist C, working in an India Meteorological Department. So we got National Award for E-Governance for the Multi-Hazard Early Warning Decision Support System. So this project has been designed as we already had one decision support system earlier. That decision support system is actually foreign adapted and it is having very high cost. When we got to for upgradation, it is more than 250 crores. So the plan came that we need to develop something our own. So in this we brainstorming we have done and we finalized that all kind of different kind of weather observation, different kind of model forecast we have integrated at a place with complete open source technology. The main idea that right now in this decision support system we have very specialized module for each sector, each hazard. We have a specialized module like Mausamgram, which aims to Har Har Mausam Har Ghar Mausam, which basically shows that every location you will get the forecast. Either you click on the map, either you search your village, any location you will get the forecast. Similarly, we have sectorial application in terms of different sector, in terms of health, in terms of different transport sector like railways, National Highway Authority of India, aviation, and basically this decision support system is generating an auto forecast. After that, forecaster going to add up on these things, and it is highly helping in terms of weather forecasting and early warning services. So right now we already got our historical data has been ingested in this. Now this decision support system is integrated with different AI models, artificial intelligence model, to fine tune our forecast up to village level. Right now, earlier we used to give the forecast up to the Met subdivision level, district level. Now we already had started that forecast should be generated at each location and each district of every state all over the India. If you will see the coverage, we are almost coverage is there, 100% population we want to cover in terms of population also, in terms of space also. So the vision is to give the forecast for each and everyone to reduce the disaster risk and make every state disaster risk resilient. This award is a significance to the team who developed this multi-hazard early warning decision support system. With this recognition, this project can be moved in the second stage by adding all those different ideas which we already had. Now we already had started scale up of this project, and we'll came up with new solutions and new ideas along with this project.